kokkame siis. Hello and welcome to another video from Motor City, the underground indoor karting track in Tallinn, maybe the fastest track in Tallinn. Yeah, I'm here again for the second time because there's a new event coming up, the Corner One Winter Special event, Winter Wonder Race, and it requires you to pre-qualify. So here I am doing one lap to get into the event, and yeah, here we are driving about 2 months later than my first time. The track is the same, the cars are the same, but it has rubbered up a bit. Plus this pre-qualifying uses slightly higher power modes, so the lap times will get faster. And here I am chasing Robert. He's the local instructor, so if I can keep up with him, it will be very good to learn to drive again. These laps will take a while. I haven't driven in a long time, so especially the braking, which is very sensitive, I lock up a lot in the beginning, so it will take me some time to get up to speed. And in the end the laps were not too clean, but yeah, I got 5 boosted laps. You have to recharge your boosts every second lap, and my 4th boosted lap was the best. So yeah, enjoy the video, and also if you enjoy my video, subscribe to Asko Viira. He's also doing great videos, and his monetization money is actually sponsoring my participation in this event. So thank you, Asko, and enjoy.